Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon without a mess. Okay, let's get right to it. Start by folding all edges of a parchment paper. Next, turn the parchment paper so the folded edges are facing up. Unfold the edges so they form a tray on the baking sheet. Stick around and I'll show you why this is so important. Then place the bacon strips on the parchment paper. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. When done, remove from the oven, and here is the secret. Carefully pour the bacon fat into a glass container using the folded edge as a spout. See, no mess. Now turn over the bacon using kitchen tongs. Bake in the oven for 8 more minutes, or until the bacon has reached the crispiness you want. If you want to make the maple glazed bacon, mix together 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon hot sauce. What recipes do you like to add bacon to? Let us know in the comments below. Remove from the oven and turn over the bacon. Brush the glaze on top of the bacon and broil for 1 minute. Turn over the bacon. Brush on the glaze and broil for 1 minute more. And there it is, maple glazed bacon without a drop of fat to clean up. I'm Bjorn, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.